All right, well, you guys remember the last time we were working on that thing, the Duo Glide, the trans was less than desirable. The case was cracked. So we are going to unbox a brand new Baker 6-in-4, which this is going to be pretty cool. And it happens to be about a week before Christmas. Typical Baker stuff. Foam packed, right? Expanded foam packing. Don't know what's in the little bag. This is probably some instructions. I don't know what that is. Let's get down to the fun stuff first. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. All right. Hold on. That's the shifter. Or I'm sorry. That's the kicker. All right. So somewhere down in this beautiful package is, oh my goodness, they just make it suspenseful. Oh, look at, so 58, sorry, Duo Glide. Oh, look at that. Well, does not get much prettier than this. Now can I just get a look at the top, because it's going to be really too heavy. Oh, they didn't send gear oil. All right, hold on one second, guys. All right, we pulled it out of the box, and I pulled it out of the bag. There's not a lot to say other than they're super bitchin'. So the plating's always phenomenal. Like I said, I don't know what they do with that kicker spring versus everybody else, but it definitely doesn't look like anybody else's. It's the front side of it. I got this with an N1 shift mechanism. Let's listen to it shift, which is the awesome thing about it, right? I don't know if you can hear that, but let's put a turn on it. Oh, that's so nice. Awesome. What's it look like underneath? That's it. So we'll be doing an install and figuring out the rest of it. You know, obviously the top cover doesn't look like a stock Harley top cover, but who really cares? I mean, once you look and you notice this side cover on there, you realize, oh, it's not a stock 4-speed gearbox anyway. So it is the kicker in here. And you guys, I have one of those in the last video, so you guys can check that out there. Anyways, next stop will be installing it and riding it again before Christmas.